guys, welcome to L&L Kitchen. Elena and Elsa here. Mom, where are you now?
Sono qui,
What are you doing with the witch hat on? It's not Halloween.
ma in Italia è carnevale.
Come on, get up. Su. So what? Now you're telling me you're happier.
Yes.
Okay, so what do you want to cook today then?
Qualcosa di carnevale.
What do we usually eat? A candle.
I'm thinking.
Come on.
Tortelli, chiacchiere,
I can't cook them. What else?
frittelle di casa.
It's not healthy at all.
Ma sometimes è festa per noi.
So what?
Ma so what? È festa. That's it.
So what are we cooking today?
Yes.
What are we cooking today?
Frittelle di casa nostra.
Frittelle di casa nostra. Okay guys, I'm back here with the ingredients. So how it works with this dough is that you need to have, if you start with 600 grams of plain flour, 001, you need to have 3 cups of water. That's because the dough that we need to prepare.
Vai avanti.
What are you doing?
Niente.
Because the dough that we need to prepare is not, it will need to remain quite soft for how that will be cooked, so it's not going to be a consistency of a pizza dough, it will be much softer, so we need to have a lot of water added in within the mixture and added to the flour. What are you doing? We have 7 grams of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon and a half of salt. We have 600 grams of plain flour, 00. And also on the side here we have 100 grams or whatever is left of raisins that we will add later. So we're gonna start first preparing the dough for the frittelle. Are you gonna eat any more?
No.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start adding the warm water. Then we put the dry yeast in it, and we let it melt. Then what you do is you start adding some of the flour. This dough at the end will be split into half because we'll do half frittelle sour and half sweet. So when you add something like half of the flour, what you do is you actually add the salt. I had to add more water because it wasn't enough, because the trick here is that in reality what you need to do is to have a very soft consistency, so it's not going to become like the pizza dough. What do you think? Is it too hard?
Io metterei ancora un po'.
So on the end of it we will have 3 waters.
3 cups.
3 cups of water for
Yes.
600 grams
Yes.
of flour.
Yes.
Doesn't matter if you add the water later, you know. So what will happen is that then hopefully it will rise. We're just gonna leave this resting for an hour or so until it becomes, you know, double its size. Alright, maybe we already split in half. So all we do is we just get the other bowl and we just do half of it in one and half of it in another, and we let them just we're just gonna let them rest now for the next hour, and then we'll see what will happen. So what I usually do is I get some cling wrap and I just put it on top of my dough, whatever it might be. Even if it was a pizza dough, I would do the same thing, and that will allow for the dough to be nice and protected and feel loved and warm, and we'll be able to grow. Okay, mommy?
Okay.
Okay, mom. So we're here after an hour. Let's see. Oh, is it ready? Yes, look at that. Nice and bubbly. And also wobbly. That's what we need. Perfect consistency for our frittelle. Let's start cooking then. Cooking! Okay, so we're gonna start cooking. We put some oil, something like a centimeter in a pot, a 20 centimeter wide pot. Now is we need to wait for the oil to be ready and warm enough. So I know I need to put the wooden spoon, the back of it, into the oil, and when I understand when it does some bubbles, then it means it's ready. So I think it's almost ready. So what I do in the meantime, I get my mixture here, my dough, and I get ready with a spoon to start with the first frittelle. So the first batch is done. Nice and crispy and really ready to be eaten. Now what we do quickly is we got the raisins, the 100 grams. We just dry it with some paper towel. Once we have dried them, we add them to the mixture that we had done before, so the dough, and we just combine them well. Okay, so we're ready to go. And here we are!
Wow!
With our very unhealthy frittelle.
Tradition. Le vere frittelle di casa a modo nostro.
Sour and sweet.
Va bene.
E adesso bisognerebbe assaggiarle.
A chi tocca? Tu questo e io questo? Bene, forza.
Enjoy!
Buon appetito!